children. If I'm not mistaken, when I was elementary school, at the moment I was so ambitionless. Yeah, I'm so lazy to learn or to study. But yeah, I really remember at the moment, my brother always pushed me to study hard. My
Mm-hmm.
family also, but at the moment I always rebel to my family.
Mm-hmm.
I always make my sister cry because I didn't like to be forced, especially in learning at the moment. And no one can stop me at the moment. I always rebel when when my family forced me to study. I
Mm-hmm.
always rebel, and then I always win at the moment. And then yeah, my brother come at the moment, and he is the one that I scared the most. I don't know why. Yeah, he's the one that changed me, and yeah, giving me like a lot of knowledge, and also teach me at the moment, because the other members of my family cannot
Give up on you.
yeah, yeah, giving up on me, because I always rebel at the moment, and time to time, yeah, he always teach me, but sometimes I rebel, but I lose at the moment. I always got cried, but um, time to time, I realized that, oh, this is for my own goodness. This is for my future. So now, without without pushing me anymore, so I can be like independence to be studied, and yeah, here I am right now. I am not rebelling anymore to my family. And then yeah, so hopefully um, later on I can be like one of the successful person in my family. Thank you.
Amin, 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 amin. So shout out to your brother, yeah. So what about you, Aini?
Why- okay. So, what is the best uh, experience? I mean, what I threw that give me some learning that in the past I'm really a silent person.
Mm-hmm.
So means that I really enjoy myself with my own word, and I don't really think about how that I can improve myself. Even if in the senior high school I join an organization, but I think I cannot feel what actually I can get from my organization itself,
Mhm.
like Palang Merah, Red Cross, and also OSIS or something like that. But I just pass it, and I don't feel like I can improve myself because I just stuck on my way, on my word. But the moment I feel like I cannot like this, if I just stuck in here and not improve myself, and no the willingness to change myself, means that I cannot be a success person in the future. So when I enter in the university, I try to take some organization that I feel I like. My passion is there, like bukan bahasa or something that actually I want to focus on.
Mm-hmm.
So until now, I can speak in front of people, and I can talk friendly to each other. So I think,
So that's the lesson.
yeah.
You got. Okay. Next, Mr. Isan.
Yep.
What about you? What's your life experience that taught you a lot of lesson learned,
All right.
especially your life?
At the time, it was around 2017 when I
Mhm.
was escorting the bridging ship from Netherlands,
Mhm.
and in order to make new land, reclamation,
Mm-hmm.
Makassar reclamation,
Oh. Mhm.
Makassar center point of Indonesia.
Yeah. Before.
Before, and then at the time, my friend and I were escorting that ship, and all of the crew are from Western people.
Mhm.
So from my division, so selective to become a representative at the time.
Mhm.
And in the beginning of that moment is going well, but
But
in in the middle that
of
were
the journey.
yes, there were some like attack from community near from the place we take the sea sand
Oh,
because
yes, I
No.
knew that story. I knew that story.
from Galison, you know.
Yes, yes,
and
I
maybe
see, I see.
some of them is hearing me speaking here now,
Mhm.
and I wanna say my apologies because yeah, this is my job.
Mhm.
We gotta make the safe all of the crew and also the ship. So yeah, they were going to and approaching to our ship,
Mhm.
and they forced us to go back, but we were saying that this is our government project.
Mhm.
There's someone can stop me, and
Yeah.
if you want to protest, then go to the governor
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
office.
how's the feeling?
And at the time, wow, it's so terrible moment because I gotta fire my gun to stop them
Mhm.
because they were using like knife
Yes.
and then arrow,
Mhm.
Makassar's traditional
Mhm. Mhm.
gun.
Yes, yes.
And I gave them a warning shot. Then I go back,
Mhm.
or I will shoot you, just
Mhm.
for make them frightened,
Mhm.
and then they go back.
Wow. Yes, I knew that story.
Yeah,
Because the project that
Mhm.
we know right
because actually because the project
now.
the ship took the sand of the sea
Yes.
and then make a new land, but actually that were damaged, that will be
Yes,
damaged
yes,
their
yes.
their village
Yes, yes.
because of
That
aberration.
affect the citizen,
Yes.
the how to say
It will be
nelayan.
cause aberration.
Yes, yes.
Yes, the fishermen and
Yes,
yeah.
the fisherman. That's one of the controversial. That case is the controversial one.
Yes,
So,
in the last
It took a long,
in the last of Mr. Sarul regime.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, one of the
And I'm
the
the
actor
evidence.
in that drama. Yeah, you
It's
took
a
a part.
terrific
You
moment.
took a part in that drama.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, yes, that's one of your life experience.
Yeah.
So, what lesson that you take from that case?
We got a privilege every time wherever and whenever you're going to, that you have to prepare for something bad.
Hmm. The worst thing you have to be
Yes.
prepared. Yeah.
You
For the worst
we gotta prevent for anything else.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Yes. We sometimes also we can learn from another person's life experience. Yes. Well, we will continue the conversation after the break. So, smart listener, it's your turn. Just tell us your life experience and what lesson you learned from that.